Hi, I'm over here at the Garden Center. If you've ever wanted to grow your own food, and especially at this time, this is really just the right time to start considering what you want to grow. I think this time in our history, we've been just brought to down to the fact that it's good to have your own food. I'm looking at this aisle for herbs and vegetables. It's absolutely cleared out. People have been buying all these vegetables. A few days ago this was full, but there's hope. You can still buy seeds and start them. And I'm just here helping a client to get all the supplies that she needs. We bought all the plants we needed. We bought some soil over there, you can see at the back. We bought fertilizers and tools. But in case you're feeling like you need help with your gardening, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We have resources on our website, which is the Home Gardening Support Network. But this is Anne. I'm here to help you if you need help deciding on your garden structures, if you need to create a raised bed, what you need to put in your raised bed, if you need to grow vegetables, what kind of vegetables would be good for your area, what kind of soils should you put, and what mixtures do you put. I have a video tutorial, and this is gonna walk you through how to create your very own edible landscape. And if you click on the link here below, you're going to be taken to where you sign up for that tutorial. It's just a short, maybe 30-40 minutes, and it just kind of walks you on how you can create your very own edible landscape. And of course, if you want a beautiful landscape with flowers, we also have that as well. So this is Anne Gachuhi, and click on the link below, and we'll be talking to you on how you can create your very own edible landscape. Thank you so much. We hope to see you in our program soon. And of course, let's go out there and grow our own food. This is a good time when everybody's away at home, and there's something therapeutic about plants, touching them and working with nature. Thank you so much. Click on the link below, get to know where you can learn about how to create your very own edible landscape. Thank you. Bye.